Hi kids, my name is Sneha and I am a scientist. Today I'm going to teach you how to extract DNA from a strawberry. First, let's make sure we have all our materials. We need cold isopropyl alcohol, so let me take that out of my fridge. We also need a Ziploc bag, a big tube or a jar or glass, then a smaller tube to store our DNA, and then a wooden stick or fork, a cheesecloth or strainer or a coffee filter to filter out big pieces of strawberry, a mixing bowl, 3 strawberries, and then some water, dishwashing liquid, and salt. Do you have all your materials ready?
Hi, I'm Grant. And I'm Aurora. We have all the supplies: alcohol, salt, water, dish soap, and strawberries.
Great, let's measure out all our ingredients. We need a 1/3 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we can mix it all together.
We're ready to make our extraction solution.
Okay, now that we have our extraction solution, let's work on our strawberries. So first we can de-stem the strawberries. And put them in our Ziploc bag. Make sure to tightly close the bag. And you can start mushing. So we want to try to make sure that there aren't too many big chunks of strawberries, okay? So try and mush all the big chunks as best as you can. So now we can add the extraction liquid into the bag. You might need a parent's or sibling's help with this one. So open the bag and add your extraction liquid. Tightly close the bag. Make sure that everything mixes up together so you get some bubbles. Now it's time to add our strawberry solution into our test tube or cup. So you can have a parent or sibling help you with this step. Someone can hold the test tube with the strainer on top of it, and another person can pour the liquid into the tube. Make sure to pour slowly. This step also requires a sibling or parent or friend to help. So we're going to pour our cold alcohol into the test tube, but make sure to pour it at an angle. And pour it along the side of the test tube so it doesn't mix with the strawberry solution. We only need about the same amount of strawberry solution for the alcohol. And here we are.
We're ready to pour in the alcohol.
Our very last step is to extract the DNA from the solution. So, in between the alcohol and strawberry layers, you'll see a lot of cloudy viscous material, and that's our DNA. So take a stick or a toothpick or a fork, and we're gonna swirl around the liquid to get the DNA. See how it swirls? Okay. Now I'm gonna set that down and put my DNA, into my small tube. And our DNA is sort of collecting at the bottom of the tube. You can always go back into the solution to get a little bit more DNA that you might have left behind. Close your tube. And there you have it. Inside this tube is strawberry DNA.
Now we're going to try to scoop out our DNA. There's a hot.
Yeah. I think you got it last. You just put the last of it in here.
There's droppings on it too. I didn't get that much.
It's alright, you got some. Right there.
So today we learned how to extract DNA from a strawberry. If you want to learn the science behind this experiment, Please feel free to look at the handout we gave you. Thank you. Bye.